Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to add product to your shopping list or shopping baskets on your Sainsbury app. So for that case, you have to first of all go ahead and open up a browser and log in into your Sainsbury account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, what you have to do is you have to use the search bar tool feature in order to locate or find the product that you wish to add it to your basket. So I'm going to go ahead and add some item. When you have actually located the following item or found the item, you could go ahead and filter it and all that. And to add it to your bag, just go ahead and click the add button, and you also need to go ahead and select the quality, quantity, all that before you add it. And when you've added the product to your cart, then you could go ahead and press the bag icon or the cart icon from the top right inside corner. It's going to take you to the summary order page. Here, if you wish to go ahead and continue to checkout, click on book a slot and enter in your billing address, all that. Provide your payment method and all sort of things, and you'll be able to add the product to your cart in your Sainsbury app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.